I'm Wendy.
I'm Steve. And this is Pippin.
And together we're the Happy Travellers.
A few days ago we went to Pilar de la Horadada to do a service point that we it's on Search for Sites. So you look up on Search for Sites for service points, and there's one 15-minute drive down the road, 10 to 15 minutes, and we thought it was quite difficult to find. And if you go back a couple of videos to to when we did a review of that, we showed you where we were parking. I thought the parking was a bit odd, because car parking on one side and what looked like motorhome bays on the other side. But I got we had a comment to say, well, if it's not marked as a service point, it probably isn't, and you should go to the next one down the road. They didn't say where the next one was, but we did a bit more research, and what I found was the yellow lines. There's a single yellow line around the pavement in the gutter, which in Spain means strictly no parking. I didn't know that. I do now. And the what used to be, I think, what used to be the motorhome bays was slightly faded. They were still there, so I thought, oh well, it's okay to park there. And I thought the yellow meant that it was marked out for motorhomes, but I was not right on that. So it looks like that what used to be a motorhome service point probably isn't meant to be a motorhome service point now. All the water taps have been taken away. There's lots of building works going along, lots more residential going in around there, so they probably dispense with it. But we're going again down that way, not to that one, but to a different one that is fully set up. It's in a service station, so let's get going, because we need to empty the toilet. Maybe we fill up with water, and I think we might be doing a bit of laundry as well today. Well, we've made it to the service point. It's a very, very wet day, and Wendy's just making her way to the... Well, there is a laundry here, so Wendy's just made her way over that way. But let's go and have a little look around. Well, out at the front of the whole petrol station complex is the emptying point, but we're parked right at the back, up against the fence. But what I've noticed is there are car washes, jet washes over that way. I think this is the payment thing here, I don't know. But there's auto gas, so LPG, over this way, and around this way. So that's the entrance down that way. But then you've got the laundry over this way. Lots of people in there, so it's quite busy. You've got obviously filling pumps here, an AdBlue pump, petrol and diesel, and then you've got the little shop that Wendy's just coming out of over that way. You need tokens. So Wendy's got the tokens there, to go and do her washing. Well, our washing. So that's nice. It's very, very, very wet and windy. Wendy just left her washing there. I'm stood outside getting absolutely soaked. Woo! There's a lot of rain that's coming. I was just walking, well, I ran from the van to the laundry, and while I was outside, it felt like someone was tipping buckets of water on me. So I've had to have a change of clothes, like right through. I was soaked, absolutely soaked right through. I've never known so much rain, but it's stopped now. So, oh dear me. But this is quite a good place, isn't it? Because you've got diesel that you can fill up with diesel. You've got LPG, you can fill up with LPG. You've got laundry, so you can do all your laundry, and you've got toilet emptying, and you've got grey waste emptying, and you've got water fill up. Now I think the water fill up is like €1. I don't know that, but I think it's €1 for 5 minutes. That's what it seems to be around and about. So there's sort of everything here. There's no overnight parking, so you can't stay here, but literally 2-minute drive that way, down, back towards Zenia on the A322. There's a free overnight park up. So, wow, it's a pretty good place. But in comparison with the other place, it took about 25 minutes to get here. So it's, if you were at Zenia, you want to come and empty and fill up and stuff, and you wanted to go back to Zenia, it's about maybe an hour's round trip to empty your toilet, which is not bad because you've got the benefit of not having to pay for a campsite, haven't you? And all the lovely stuff around Zenia. So it's really good, I think. You know, and for the inconvenience, I would say, of having to drive half hour and half hour back and empty, but you've got everything else here, you know, so do it all in one go and you're set, and you've got the lovely Zenia parking. It's brilliant. Even better when the sun's shining. But anyway, that's it for this video. From a very wet, happy travellers. We'll see you again in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for now.